Welcome once again to Unboxing Unscripted Unfiltered. It's time for another unboxing of a watch that we're going to review soon, so please comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this watch that I'm going to unbox, and the good, interesting, and sometimes funny comments will make it into the actual video review. But before that, if I told you that mustard and coffee are a perfect combination, would you believe me? Well, here it is. Look at this amazing mug from Kunuku Coffee Roasters, the best handcrafted coffee in the whole wide universe. Now comes in with a mustard colored mug. So if you're in Aruba, visit Kunuku Coffee Roasters and you might even get one of these swaggy, amazing cups. Very nice. They come in many different colors and we're happy to get one right there and show off in our videos. So that took us like 55 seconds to start our video, and of course all of my FedEx information is right there again, so somebody's gonna call out again, dude, don't show off your FedEx barcodes on your videos. Somebody would like take your information and whatnot. Okay, like I'm big fish to do that. But anyway, so this is coming from Ciga Design. We've reviewed I think 2 Ciga Design watches before, and it's time once again to review one of their. Oh, there you go. That's a proper side up watch, and this one. Wow. Okay, I'm kind of surprised by that. I didn't know it'll come with these kind of tools. Okay, that's cool and neat. And there you go. So you already have a glimpse of what our watch is going to be. I don't remember, as always. Rarely check the model numbers and model names of these watches. What do we have here? Maybe here it's written down. No. Oh, Z series watch from Ciga Design. So this is a skeletonized watch, and I cannot open it. Why? It should be easy to open. Wait a minute. Ah! Just when I say that it's easy to open, then it doesn't work. Or maybe my knife is so sharp. Okay, there we go. So that is the box. So this is sent in by Ciga Design, and these are one of those instances that I'm not gonna keep the watch, so I'm going to send this back to them after the review. But it's still nice to review their watches. They're one of those Chinese brands. Let me take a sip of coffee. It's very nice. One of those Chinese brands that up their game. They have not just really interesting packaging, but also interesting designs. And at the same time, they are upping their game by winning the GPHG at some point, being nominated a few times. I think they're nominated again. Oh wow, look at this. And they have like this really cool bracelet. Okay, let's see that. So many things to open. Okay. This looks like it's DLC coded. Let's see, or probably the cheaper version, the PVC. But it's look at that very soft matte finish. Very nice. It has some quick release spring bars, so we'll probably be able to fit it to the watch immediately. Let's see that. Okay. Let me remove my watch first. And there's the actual watch, the Z series watch from Ciga Design. Let's peel that plastic. There we go. So this is like a sort of a hybrid to no shape, skeletonized case and skeletonized movement. Very, very nice. I'm very impressed. Let's remove the there. Look at that. That is very impressive. Now I'm tempted not to bring this back to them or send it back. It looks really good. I like it. I like it already. So let's try and fit the. And you know, sometimes when brands send me these watches, I have the option to keep the watch, but then I'll have to buy them. I have done that before, but this one, I'm really tempted at doing that again. Okay, let's fit this. Spending most of the review fitting the bracelet on the case, and I messed that up. Yeah, sometimes quick release spring rolls aren't like the easiest to work with. Okay, let's see. That is, yeah, that is it. All right, look at that. Okay, let's put this aside. Okay, at first it does look really big on the wrist, especially with that curving profile from the outside. And there's so much space that's in between the actual display or the actual dial and the case itself. And those are not pushers, guys. Those are crown guards. Okay, but let's see on my wrist. Yeah, so like I expected, on smaller wrists like mine, it just barely makes it in. And those yeah, because there's no lugs. Oh, okay, there you go. So there's a little bit of swivel there, so it stoops down. You know, there's no lugs, so the bracelet stoops down a little, but the lug to lug is massive or long here, and for my 6¼ inch wrist, this is going to be almost overhanging like many G-Shocks. But I am used to wearing larger watches, so I'm okay with that. But look at that dial. That dial is amazing. You need some mapping there. There you go. That is actually very beautiful, and that is an open balance. The spring, it's not a tourbillon, but it kind of has that that effect, you know, if you know what I mean. I don't know how much this costs, but it kind of feels like it's going to cost you quite a bit. But here's the thing about Chinese manufacturers. Ciga Design is one of those that are really pushing the boundaries, and they're not just staying within the microbrand mold, and they're not doing the affordable homage types, although they have dealt in those as well. But this is also the a branch of the Mi brand or Xiaomi brand, so they have quite a bit of R&D going along with them, and they are kind of pushing a bit when it comes to manufacturing. So what do you think about this Ciga Design Z series? Comment down below, let me know what you guys think, and those interesting comments and opinions will make it into the video review.